Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to build a brick barbecue. First, let's plan. Select a level, stable spot, ensuring it's far from anything flammable for safety. Gather your tools, such as a trowel, a spirit level, and a measuring tape. Think about your desired size and design, considering both the cooking area and any storage. Finally, estimate the number of bricks and the amount of mortar you will need for your project. Now, let's lay a solid foundation. Begin by digging a trench approximately 6 inches deep and wide for your barbecue's base. Next, pour a concrete slab at least 4 inches thick, ensuring it is perfectly level. This provides crucial stability. Allow the concrete to cure completely for several days. This step is vital for strength. Once cured, mark out where your first course of bricks will sit. With your foundation ready, it's time to build the walls. Lay your first course of bricks, making sure each one is perfectly level and plumb. Apply mortar evenly, aiming for consistent joints of about 10 millimeters. For maximum strength, stagger each subsequent course of bricks, using a half-brick offset. Remember to integrate a sturdy metal support for your grill grates at your preferred cooking height as you build. Finally, let's add the finishing touches and prepare your barbecue for use. Carefully clean any excess mortar from the brickwork before it completely hardens. This ensures a neat finish. It is crucial to allow the entire structure to cure for at least 7 days before its first use, letting the mortar fully set. Then, install your grill grates and any other accessories. You might also consider adding a chimney or storage shelves for extra convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.